Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Get your Wi-Fi password and Google account ready, because the system needs network and sign in to activate. Once powered, plug the HDMI and set the TV input to the Android source so the setup UI appears. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries and position yourself near the router if signal is weak. Start the on-screen wizard. It will guide language, region, and initial pairing. These steps unlock the rest of the configuration. Once connected to Wi-Fi, you sign in with your Google account. This syncs apps, purchases, and preferences, so make sure you use the account you want for media purchases. When prompted, allow system updates and necessary permissions like location and microphone to enable voice search and recommendations. If you prefer, enable automatic backup so settings restore later. Take a moment now, install system updates, and reboot if requested. This prevents app compatibility issues down the line. Now finalize by setting display resolution and aspect ratio, because correct scaling prevents cropped video and menu cutoffs. Install core streaming apps and sign into each. This prepares your home screen for immediate use. Pair any Bluetooth controllers or keyboards and test playback on different apps to confirm audio and video sync. If something fails, try rebooting, check router, and reinstall the problematic app. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear app cache or factory, reset only after.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.